I think the telcos are going through the biggest disruption in a generation.
Array of new technologies that are converging, and what we have is a technological revolution.
The global mobile data traffic is expected to grow by 7 times between 2016 and 2021.
I think that the most exciting revenue streams are from enterprises.
The eSIM has proven to be a hot topic in the industry. It is the latest in the evolution of the SIM card, and we believe it will cause a noticeable disruption to existing business models. Speaking to our customers about IoT, most of them are interested in eSIM and IoT solutions. The eSIM has several characteristics that the device manufacturers find highly beneficial. It's smaller, lighter, and offers greater durability and can be sealed directly into devices, allowing them to be fully waterproof. We believe that these advantages will stimulate an uptake in the adoption of these technologies in the next 1 to 2 years, particularly in the automotive and fleet tracking verticals. So nonetheless, McKinsey & Company has reported that the traditional SIM card will still dominate the market for the next 5 years at least. The reason for this are twofold. Firstly, legacy technology is unable to be physically adjusted for eSIM, and secondly, design changes are required in devices to accommodate the eSIM, along with the R&D and market testing that goes with it. Because of this, the GSMA only expects to see a substantial revenue growth for the embedded SIM from 2022 onwards, as it is introduced into new devices in the market. So, how will the gap between legacy systems and the new eUICC technology be bridged? The traditional SIM card can be loaded with the eUICC software, meaning that legacy technology can be retrofitted with the remote provisioning capabilities of the eUICC. The adoption of the eUICC into different verticals brings many rich and exciting opportunities for operators. Mobile devices are expected to increase to nearly 12 billion in the next 5 years, with mobile data traffic forecast to grow a whopping 700%. We believe that much of this growth will come from the business M2M market, as the specifications are defined and are already in use in many industries. Enterprise customers place great value on quality of service and are willing to pay a premium for business continuity. Our customers at the moment seem to be most interested in the consumer market. Why? Because the Apple Watch is a leading product within this market. However, for revenue opportunities, we see that the M2M market will grow more substantially. In contrast, the consumer market is still in its early stages, and we expect it to take between 3 to 5 years to be established. The protocols for network discovery, number portability, and subscriber registration are still under development. And without this standardization, any solutions built now may face compatibility issues or require costly retrospective changes in the future. Considering that the M2M market is expected to grow to $28 billion between now and 2023, we believe that this makes it the most immediate, most cost-effective, and most viable business opportunity in IoT for operators today.
Workz have been in business over 20 years supplying SIM cards to mobile network operators, and in addition we will now be able to provide eSIM production to mobile network operators and OEMs as well. We offer a variety of chips with various industrial grades like the classic M2M, the industrial or the automotive range. We offer a remote SIM provisioning solution that is compliant with the GSMA standard. We provide subscription management, data preparation and secure routing. We also offer a hosted solution, but of course we can also offer an on-premise solution if the need is there to have it on-site. We offer the operators a controlled environment, basically a sandbox where they can actually test the system and make sure that everything is implemented and interfaced or integrated into the business support systems so that there are no issues with the live implementation. So for operators to get started, it's actually the same as a normal SIM card. We need to have the network keys, transport keys, the data input files. We can then do the data preparation, build a profile, and actually personalize this on a removable form factor, so you can easily test it with existing devices. However, we can also do this with an eSIM, but then of course that needs to be embedded into a device, which is usually a little bit more difficult. After that you can basically test the system with those SIM cards. Workz offers an independent system that can basically work with any supplier operating system. So whether you use our operating system, whether you use our platform, it doesn't really matter. We're vendor neutral and very cost efficient. I think what we've shown in the past as well is that we provide an excellent service to our customers, and we will deliver in the timelines required according to your requirements.
It's not just a revolution of technology, it's a revolution of ideas and attitudes.
New way of creating value, and that's actually where I think operators are like us has to be first in trying and demonstrating different results.
There's no other way to do this without the infrastructure of telcos and mobile. So you guys better get in the game.